Good evening, student. Now I am going to take the topic lesson unit 2, the world between two world wars. The world between two world war. The first lessons, first world war. The first world war beginning in 1914 to 1918. The first world war beginning in 1914, ending in 1918, and second world war beginning in 1939 to 1945. So in the first world war and second world war, the mainly the participations of these European countries, the European continents, in two great divisions in the first world war. One is the British triple entente, the British empires, France countries, Russian countries. Is one teams. Another teams, the triple alliance, Germany, Italians, Austria and Hungary. So இது what teams. The first teams, the triple entente, British, France, Russians. Second teams, Germany, Italian, Austria, Hungary. But in 1917, the America entered the First World War. The support to the British, France and Russians against to the German, Italian, Austrian, Hungaries. So 1914 to 1917 வரைக்கும் the Americans not enter the First World War but is a moral support, மறைமுகமான ஒரு support for the British government. Then so America entered the First World War, so attacked the Germany. Germany was defeated. France, Britain, Russia, America got a success victory. The success, Germany, Italy, Austria, Hungary is defeated. After that, the Paris Peace Conference in 1919, the American President Woodrow Wilson, the Prime Minister of England Lord George, the Clemenceau for France is the important leaders who was signed in the Paris Peace Conference. After that, the Treaty of Versailles, Germany not satisfied with the Paris Peace Conference. So the victorious nations forced to sign for the Germany. So victorious nations, France, Russia, America, England, so these countries forced to sign for Germany. That is a Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles, some important statements like that. The first one is Alsace and Lorraine was here returned to the France, reduce the armies like that. After the First World War and Second World War 1939 to 1945 between period. So in this lesson the World War, the First World War and Second World War. Between that world wars, two world wars. Between the two wars means 1918 to 1939 middle period என்னென்ன நடந்தது அப்படிங்கிறத பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன்ஸ். The First World War, the broken. First World War, the broken. That means the chartered for the global capitalist system based on the European imperialisms. The First World War broken. So the global capitalist, that globalism, the world was the broken after the First World War. The capitalist system based on this imperialism. So based, the அடிப்படையாக கொண்டு இந்த குளோபல் முதலாளித்துவங்கள் வந்து எப்படி அது பிரிஞ்சிருச்சு, broken உடைஞ்சது. The Europeans powers were gravely weakened. So weakened after the First World War. So the European powers, most of the countries, the powers is weakened. Powers gravely weakened by the war, by the First World War. Financially, so weakened by the financially and politically, mainly the weakened of the financially and politically. The conflict, the between the workers, conflict means the fight. So difference, வேறுபாடு, சண்டைகள். So the conflict between the workers and the ruling classes. So is a fight or the difference or conflict. So workers and ruling classes that control the government become the intense. But the intense, that means a முரண்பாடு. Intense means முரண்பாடு. So யாருக்கு இடையில முரண்பாடு? That means of the workers, ruling classes and controlled by the government became the intense. As a result of this, fascism emerged. What is mean by the fascism? So the fascism means dictatorship, sarvadiyar ஆட்சி. So Hitler and Mussolini. Hitler in Germany, Italy in Mussolini. As a result of this, fascism emerged. So burning, the beginning in this period, in this time, in Italy and Germany. The anti-colonial struggles got intensified as colonial powers were weakened by this war. So mainly these two teams is very important. The first teams is the France, England, Russia and America. The second team, Germany, Italy, Austria and Hungary. These separate teams. So after the First World War, the global capitalism முதலாளித்துவங்கள் is based on the European capitalisms. The European powers was gravely weakened the war. So after the war, gradually the decrease in the war by financially and politically. The conflict between the workers and the ruling classes that control the government became the intense. As a result of the fascism emerged means தோன்றியது in Italy and Germany. The anti-colonial struggles got intensified as colonial powers were weakened by this war. As we saw in this chapter, in the last chapters, this crisis in this Western world had led to this outbreak of the World War I. We know the term of the social and political development. So now the turn to the social and political development in the world after the end of the world. So after end of the world war in 1918, most of the European countries is developed in the industries and social and political. So வாருக்கு அப்புறம் that countries also that developed. Why? Against the another war will be start. So and the concept is developed mainly for increasing the industries, increasing the weapons, increasing the submarines, like that.